Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 quick prerequisites. Be on an admin account and make a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display, change resolution or scale to test whether Windows applies new values. Make sure to check Detect for extra monitors. Also, open Device Manager and note the display adapter model. This identifies the driver you will update or reinstall next, which is the usual culprit when Personalize or display options fail. Next, you handle drivers and system integrity because corrupted drivers often break display and Personalize. In Device Manager, try Update Driver. If problems started after an update, use Rollback. If updating fails, uninstall the adapter driver and scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. While you wait, run sfc/scano and dism to fix system file corruption that can block settings. Finally, install the vendor driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, since manufacturer packages restore control panels and missing features. Finish by resetting the settings state and isolating account issues. Clear personalization cache or reset settings via app's optional features, then restart Explorer and check again. If Personalize still fails, create a new local admin user to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. Migrating to that account fixes many cases. If none of this works, use System Restore to a point when it worked or perform an in-place repair install of Windows to preserve files. Key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.